Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And today we're going to be taking you guys on a tour of the 2024 LA Auto Show.
Huh?
So we're going to be entering the main room, or one of the main showrooms. And right off the bat, we got Kia. We got some Kia vehicles. Just browsing through, taking a look at showroom. They had an interesting nature area, as you can see here. It's pretty cool. Quite a bit of people as well, as you can see. Here we had a lot of campers, a lot of outdoorsy stuff, some trucks. I didn't get to record all of it or everything I wanted to, but here's a Ram, Raptor, Ford Raptor. Back at the campers here. This is a Chevy. Look at that, nice engine, supercharger on it. Really nice. Now we're into the Ford section of it. A lot of Ford trucks. Ford Mustang. Got that 5.0 GT. Bunch of people there looking at that. The Ford GT here. Little show in the background. It's pretty cool. Pretty nice looking body on it. Wing is a little different. Still pretty nice. Color's not too bad. Turned it upside down. Here where Ford's got the Bronco here and a bunch of their other trucks doing a little obstacle course. The lines for these things are usually really long. That one didn't interest me too much. Here we're inside Porsche. Checking out some of the Porsches. Really nice one right here. Beautiful car. Not too big of a showroom here. Here's another showroom we went through. Just had some exotic cars. Here's some clips of those. Some Ford. Couple different cars. Now we're coming to another big showroom. Got Hyundai. Toyota. Passing through most of this. We really only like to check out certain, like Ford, Dodge, Chevy. Those are the main ones we concern ourselves with. At least I do. And then, you know, we look at a few other things on the side, some supercars here or there. So here we have the new Dodge Charger electric vehicle. We're actually going to take a look inside of it this time. So here's a picture of the steering wheel. The interior was actually pretty nice, considering it's definitely not a Charger or a Challenger, but the lights there you see changes colors, pretty cool. Definitely different, but the interior was pretty nice. Not too bad. It's the first time I've checked out one inside, actually. So can't forget the Hellcat. Got the Dodge Durango Hellcat here. Beautiful car. Got to have some shots of that Hellcat supercharger. Got to have that side action right there with the Hellcat logo. Beautiful car. And then the only interior shot we got was this, because we had a lot of people hanging around inside of it. So and then off to the Jeep area. They've been having this a lot, a big obstacle course here for Jeep. This was actually pretty cool. This one always interests me that they have this the last couple years. There you see a Rubicon Gladiator going over it. But the lines for these things are always super long. I was actually thinking of taking a ride this year, but we ended up getting there late like always. So here we're on the Chevy side. We got the 2025 Corvette ZR1. Another beautiful car. Just a few shots. This was toward the end of our time here. Kids weren't having it no more, so kind of had to rush it. And this is really cool. What I think Chevy does a lot is they put stuff like this out, and I think this is super awesome to see. The interior gives you a better appreciation of the machinery of the vehicle, even if you're not a mechanic or a big car guy. Just seeing this will definitely make you appreciate these vehicles a lot more. So really, really cool. Again, didn't get too good of shots of these. A lot of people were hanging around and the kids just weren't having it. But really cool. So there you have it, guys. There is a little look at the 2024 LA Auto Show. So pretty cool. Always good experience going. So anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you've seen something you guys liked, or if I didn't show something that you guys wanted to see, make sure to put it in the comment section below. So anyway, guys, as always, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.